Alright guys, for today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix your PS4 that turn on then turn off. Before we get started, I invited you to subscribe to my channel. Just to let you guys know, if you want to try this with yourself, try to consider that I'm not the cause or the reason if you did run your PS4, so please don't blame me. I'm just sharing this info to you all. I hope you guys will learn something from this. But before we jump into the conclusion that the main problem of your PS4 is the power supply, you must watch Chinese fix video. I will put a link on the comment section down below where you can tell that your PS4 main problem is a power supply. With that being said, let's get into the video. So this is ADP 200ER power supply from my PS4, and it's so hard to get one, and it costs around $41 or 49 or whatever, and you can search it on eBay. That's why I decided to replace it with power supply from my old computer and wired it up to my PS4. If you look at these 4 pins here, the first pin is 5 volts, which is color red on the power supply, and then the second pin, we just leave it right there, we don't need it. The third pin is a ground. If you look at it also on the power supply wiring code, color coding, it is black, and the last pin will be 5 volts. Also, I keep the main cord because I want to use it if I ever get a power supply replacement, so I do not need to cut it. And I have this small pin that fit into this, and I got this pin on my old computer motherboard and soldered it into the wire. Just make sure to follow the wires so it will not be rumbled. And I joined the green and black wire together to keep our power supply running. This one right here, yellow, is 12 volts, and the other one, black, it is a ground. That's all. That's how you make your PS4 working back again. PS4. I hope this video helped you to fix your PS4 and learn something from it. If you need more help, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching. My name is Xpensivecraft, signing out, and amazing.